I do a lot of clinical research for different companies, and I have done so for several decades now. What I really like about Syneron Candela is I call them a company with their finger on the pulse. Some of their devices are the most cutting edge on the market. Profound is another game changer. Within the last year or two, there have been some devices that have come along that have helped us formulate treatment plans for areas that we previously really didn't have a lot of options. When you look at how the face ages, skin, the soft tissues under the skin that become lax due to gravity and natural aging processes, what we really want to be able to do is deliver energy specifically to the tissues we wish to target. In many cases, that means non-surgical results. Patients are always driven to look for lesser invasive ways, but they really want the good result. So I think it motivates us as researchers, as clinicians, to come up with answers to these problems. We have lots of treatments we can offer patients for volumizing the aging face, tightening the skin. What we haven't been able to do to now is deliver meaningful options for the neck specifically. So with Profound, we can actually deliver heat through the skin using the needles to tighten the subdermal areas, the fat, the layers over the muscles, and the skin itself to give us a nice bit of tightening in the lower face and neck. We now have the ability to allow us to use a second cartridge array of a 75-degree needle, which will allow us to achieve deeper penetration within the tissues. So when I can do that without surgery, I now have a tool in my tool chest that allows me to tighten skin, melt fat, and create volume. And that's why I love Profound. I can do wonderful things with surgery. I love the ability to do tightening procedures when patients are so inclined. But it's nice to put that off as long as possible and to maintain surgical results in a non-invasive way.